here we go. We know this is going to be parallel lines with no solution because the slope right here are the same. Slopes same. When we graph, we have parallel lines. No solution. But they want you to graph. That's why they provide you that graph. So let's graph. Y-intercept is at 3. So right there is 3 up 2 over 1. And go the other way. Okay. Go the other way. Go the other way. And all these computers make strange noise when I record. Not a straight line. Let's do this again. There we go. All right, and the other one right here, it starts at 0 when there's no starting point. Okay, 2 over 1, 2 over 1, 2 over 1, go down, go down, go down, graph. Okay, parallel lines, no solution. All right, this one, find the rate of change. Rate of change is slope. Okay, how do we find the rate of change or slope? M equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, we pick 2 points. Let's pick this one as x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? y2 is -1 minus y1, which is -4. x2 is 4 minus x1, which is 1. Okay, these two becomes a plus right there. That's where a lot of kids make a mistake. You get 3 over 3. Or the rate of change is 1. Okay? Same thing here. Find the slope. Slope is y2 minus y1. I'll leave some room. Slope is letter M equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'm going to choose the first two. Okay? x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? y2 is -2 minus 6. y1 is 6. x2 is 2. And x1 is -6. So this 6 minus 6, this 6 minus 6 is -12. These two makes it a plus. Okay, additive inverse 8, reduce that by 4. You divide by 4, you get -3 over 2. That's your slope. Okay. Write a linear equation that is parallel to this equation. Parallel is when the rate of change are the same. So parallel rate of change is the same, so I need y equals, this needs to be the same, the slope's the same. You get 4x, and then plus your y-intercept has to be different. So same slope, y-intercept, let's say, could be 1,000. I like to use big numbers. Write a linear equation has no solution. Again, the rate of change has to be the same. So y equals -x plus has to be different. So let's say plus 1. Okay. And here, let's do this one here. Let's do this one first. It's the easier one of the two because there's no missing sides. Remember, this is length times width divided by 2. This length right here is 20, same as here. This here is 9. We've done so many of these. Okay. And then you go plus this one here. That's 20, and that's 10. So this length times width divided by 2, or we can call this, normally they call a triangle a base, but all means the same. Base, 20, base times the height, so 20 times 9 divided by 2, which is 90, plus the 20 times length times width. For the rectangle, 20 times 10, get 200. Get 290 feet squared is the area of the shaded region. Here, you have a half a circle. That length is 12 right here. So the radius then, is only 6, because the whole thing is 12. This is pi r squared divided by 2. Okay, let's do that. 3.14 times radius squared. And then divided by 2. I'm using my calculator. You get 56.52, and then you add it to this 12, but we don't know this side. When we're missing a side, we have to do Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals to, we call that width, right? So width, c squared. So a is 12 squared plus b, which is w squared, plus c is the diagonal, 13 squared. So 144 plus w squared equals to 169 minus 144 minus 144 to both sides. W squared equals to 25. Square root, w equals to 5. So the width right here, in place of w, you put 5 plus 12 times 5, which is 60. You only do Pythagorean theorem when a side height is missing. So 100 and what's the unit? Inches squared. Okay, that's how you do those. All right, hope that helps.